In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bundle on Depop in 2025 step by step. Let's dive right in and explore the simple process involved. To begin with, open the Depop app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. This first step is essential as you'll need access to the app's features to manage bundles effectively. Once you're in, head over to the search bar located at the top of the screen. Here, you'll want to type the username of the person whose attention you wish to catch for a bundle deal. Now, a few things to keep in mind. If the profile doesn't appear in the search results, or you find that accessing their listings through old links or messages is impossible, it might indicate that there's some restriction, like being blocked by the user. Moving on to the next phase, let's take a look at your messages. Open your Depop inbox and scroll through any previous conversations you may have had with this user. This is key to confirming any ongoing communication issues. If you come across interactions labeled as user not available or notice messages disappearing altogether, it's another clue that you might have faced a block on their end. Furthermore, trying to send new messages without success is also a common sign. The third step involves attempting to follow this user's profile, granted you're able to access it via a direct link. Navigate to their profile page and tap on the follow button. If you notice the button doesn't respond or it promptly reverts back to its original state, this is a probable indicator that something's up. Additionally, if their followers or following lists are hidden from view, it underscores potential access restrictions. Let's proceed to step 4, which focuses on reviewing the listings associated with the user. Perhaps you have saved some of their items or have links to their products. Take a moment to open these items. What are you seeing? If the listings come up with a message stating, "This listing is unavailable," it reinforces the notion that you might have been blocked by the user. Throughout this process, pay attention to these cues as they offer valuable insights into your connectivity with another Depop user. Bundling successfully often relies on clear, unrestricted interaction. By following these steps, you should gain a better understanding and be well on your way to effectively managing and creating bundles on Depop in 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these step-by-step instructions helpful. Happy bundling!